Welcome back to Homestyler Bootcamp. In this video, we'll focus on professional composition and rapid lighting optimization to elevate your renderings from basic 3D models to photorealistic masterpiece.
In Homestyler, mastering these 4 golden rules of composition will help you lock in the perfect perspective effortlessly. Step 1. Define the visual focal point. Typically, focus your shot around structural elements like background walls, fireplaces, or kitchen islands, or key furniture pieces like sofas, beds, or accent chairs. Step 2. Select the perspective mode. Depending on the layout of your space, you'll typically want to choose between 1-point and 2-point perspective. Let's jump into the tool for a quick demo. First, for 1-point perspective, set pitch angle to 0 to keep all vertical lines perfectly straight. Next, position the camera perpendicular to the headboard wall. Use the 2D viewport in the top right corner to rotate the camera and lock it at a strict 90-degree angle. For a 2-point perspective, aim the camera toward the corner of the room to create a stronger sense of depth, keeping the bed right at the center of our visual focus. Step 3. Camera settings. When your view is blocked by walls or obstacles, enable this feature. By moving the camera and fine-tuning the clipping value, you can easily bypass obstructions for the perfect angle. Note: avoid clipping through furniture, main walls, or floors. Use the preview window in the top right for precise, real-time adjustments. Below that, toggle camera calibration on or off based on your composition needs. Next, FOV field of view settings. For wide-angle interior shots, keep the default 55 and do not exceed 65 to avoid edge stretching and distortion. For close-ups like nightstands, narrow the FOV to 20/30. This effectively prevents perspective distortion, keeping your shot focused and professional. For wide-angle interior shots, keep the camera height between 1000 and 1300 millimeters to simulate a natural, sitting eye-level perspective. Note: since we are on the 2nd floor, add the 2800 mm first floor height, making it 38004100 mm. As for the pitch angle, which is ideal for close-up shots, there's no need to enter values manually. Simply left-click and drag up or down directly on the canvas for a faster, more intuitive adjustment. Finally, let's wrap up with a summary of the camera setup techniques. Step 4. Build layered composition. Use the 3-plane rule to create spatial depth. Foreground, leave empty for wide shots, or introduce 10% occlusion, for example, plants, pendants, or chair backs for close-ups. Midground, the main subject, the visual focal point, established in Step 1. Background, outdoor views or adjacent spaces. Now, let's look at another example. Pro tip: turn on camera grid lines to assist with composition. Once the angle is set, click Save Current View for quick recall later. Once your camera is locked in, we move to the second part, rendering. Let's start with resolution. Always use 1000 for quick test renders, and switch to 4000 for your high-precision final output. For the aspect ratio, we recommend 16:9 or 4:3 for wide panoramic shots. For close-ups, vertical compositions like 3:4 or 5:6 will give your images much stronger visual impact. For lighting, we highly recommend the Daylight 2.0 template. It delivers the most realistic, physically based light and shadow transitions. Next is the environment selection, which determines the view and quality outside your window. Once you've chosen your environment background such as Metropolis, adjust the rotate horizontally and vertical offset under exterior view to align the perspective to the most natural angle. With everything set, hit render. If your render turns out too dark or too bright, here's a quick way to fix it: simply adjust the brightness under ambient light. We recommend tuning it in 50% increments and re-rendering until you achieve the perfect exposure. Finally, render in 4000 for a stunning, high-precision masterpiece. These are the key techniques for composition and lighting. Apply them in Homestyler to create your realistic bedroom renders. Subscribe to our channel for more 3D tips. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.